Animes.
Good day, Matherific learners! Welcome to another fun and exciting learning episode where you can venture the wonders of numbers and be acquainted with varying problems in parallelograms. I am your Matherific teacher, Ma'am Aiko. Yes, I for math, I for you, and I got you. So what are you waiting for? Let's learn together here on Animal. Our everyday life is not always characterized by ease and comfort. We always encounter situations that require critical thinking and problem-solving skills. That's why it's important to have necessary skills in dealing with different types of problems. For today's episode, we will learn how to solve problems involving parallelograms. Let us begin this wonderful learning experience by revisiting the properties of parallelogram through a game. Are you excited, my dear Matherific learners? Let us feel and sing!
Here is the mechanics of the game, the Parallelogram song. Join in singing the lyrics of the song that is flashed on the screen. There are missing words in the lyrics indicated by blanks. Fill these blanks with the correct word or phrase to complete the line. Do this by singing along.
I am a special kind of polygon. To tell you more, say go on. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, and that is how you can tell. I am a parallelogram. I am a parallelogram. I have 6 properties that you must know. To tell you more, say go on. I am a parallelogram. My opposite sides are congruent. AB equals DC. My opposite angles are also congruent. D equals B. Consecutive angles are supplementary. A plus D equals 180 degrees. 3 more to go and everyone will know. To tell you more, say go on. I am a parallelogram. If my one angle is right, then all my angles are right. As a parallelogram, I am bisected by diagonals. Each diagonal separates me into 2 congruent triangles, and that is how you can tell. I am a parallelogram. I am a parallelogram. I am a parallelogram. I am a parallelogram. I am a parallelogram.
Congratulations for a terrific math performance! I hope the game helped you in recalling the different properties of parallelogram because we will use them in solving problems. Let's begin with this learning situation. The School Inside the Garden or SIGA program of the Department of Education ensures environmental protection and conservation across the country. It also highlights the values of unity, teamwork, volunteerism, nationalism, and community service. In response to this program, the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program or 4-piece recipient of Bantayan National High School initiated a beautification program at school and planted medicinal and ornamental plants. They asked the student leaders to help them fence the garden, which is parallelogram in shape.
If the dimensions of the garden in meters are shown, answer the following questions. What is the value of x? What is the width of the garden? What is the value of y? What is the length of the garden? And how long is the fence needed to surround the garden? To find the value of x, apply the first property of parallelogram, which states that opposite sides are parallel and congruent. Since opposite sides are congruent, we have 3x minus 5 is equal to x plus 7. Next, let's apply the addition property of equality to combine similar terms. So we have 3x minus x is equal to 7 plus 5. Now, let's simplify. 3x minus x is 2x and 7 plus 5 is 12. So we have 2x equals 12. And to finally get the value of x, let's divide both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 is x, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the value of x is 6. After we get the value of x, we can now find the width of the garden. To find the width, let's consider IG is equal to x plus 7 and then substitute 6 to x, since x is equal to 6. Therefore, the width of the garden is IG is equal to 6 plus 7 equals 13 meters. This time, let's find the value of y. Again, we need to apply the first property of parallelogram. So we have 2y minus 7 is equal to y plus 5. Next, let's apply the addition property of equality to combine similar terms. So we have 2y minus y is equal to 5 plus 7. Now, let's simplify further. 2y minus y is y, and 5 plus 7 is 12. So the value of y is 12. After we get the value of y, we can now find the length of the garden. To find the length, let's consider AG is equal to y plus 5 and then substitute 12 to y, since y is equal to 12. So the length of the garden is AG is equal to 12 plus 5 equals 17 meters. Since IG is equal to 13 meters, its opposite side SA is also equal to 13 meters. And since AG is equal to 17 meters, its opposite side SI is also equal to 17 meters. So, to find the length of the needed fence to surround the garden, or let's say to find the perimeter of the garden, we need to add the measures of its four sides. So we have perimeter is equal to IG plus SA plus AG plus SI, which is also equal to 13 plus 13 plus 17 plus 17. So the perimeter is equal to 60 meters. Therefore, the length of the fence needed to surround the garden is 60 meters.
To avoid any untoward incident while passing through a staircase, a handrail is made for your safety. These handrails are made of parallelograms.
Consider one parallelogram. Let's say parallelogram rail, and answer the following questions. What is the value of x? What is the measure of angle A? How about the measure of angle L? What is the measure of angle R? By looking at the figure, you can see that angle A is opposite to angle L. So we can say that angle A is congruent to angle L. With this, we can write 5x is equal to 2x plus 12. By addition property of equality, we can combine similar terms. Thus we have 5x minus 2x is equal to 12. Now, let's simplify to solve for x. 5x minus 2x is 3x. So we have 3x equals 12. By dividing both sides by 3, we get the value of x, which is 4. So the value of x is 4. After we get the value of x, we can now find the measure of angle A by substituting 4 to x, since x is equal to 4. Thus, angle A is equal to 5x equals 5 times 4 equals 20 degrees. So angle A is equal to 20 degrees. Next, let's perform the same process to find the measure of angle L. Angle L is equal to 2x plus 12. Substitute x by 4, so angle L is equal to 2 times 4 plus 12. 2 times 4 is equal to 8 plus 12, so angle L is equal to 20 degrees. How about the measure of angle R? To find the measure of angle R, we will just subtract 20 degrees from 180 degrees, since this angle is consecutive to both angle L and angle A, which are equal to 20 degrees. So angle R is equal to 180 degrees minus 20 degrees equals 160 degrees. Yes, angle R is equal to 160 degrees.
We have just learned how to solve problems involving parallelograms. Did you have fun while learning? Terrific! Always remember,
I am a special kind of polygon. To tell you more, say go on. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, and that is how you can tell. I am a parallelogram. I am a parallelogram. I have 6 properties that you must know. To tell you more, say go on. I am a parallelogram. My opposite sides are congruent. AB equals DC. My opposite angle am a parallelogram. If my one angle is right, then all my angles are right. As a parallelogram, I am bisected by diagonals. Each diagonal separates me into two congruent triangles, and that is how you can tell I am a parallelogram. I am a parallelogram. I am a parallelogram. I am a parallelogram. I am a parallelogram.
This time, you will answer a similar problem on your own. Before we begin, make sure that you have a pen and a paper for your computations. Just relax and recall what you have learned today to answer the problem correctly. Are you now ready? Let's begin.
The flag ceremonial ground is parallelogram in shape. Its dimensions in meters and angle measures are shown on the picture below. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the value of x? A4, B5, C6, D7. The correct answer is B. Number 2. How long is segment FL? A. 15 meters, B. 25 meters, C. 35 meters, and D. 45 meters. If your answer is C, then you are correct. Number 3. What is the value of y? A. 15, B. 20, C. 25, D. 30. You got the correct answer. The answer is A. Number 4. What is the measure of angle F? A. 20 degrees, B. 30 degrees, C. 150 degrees, D. 160 degrees. Amazing! The answer is B. Number 5. What is the measure of angle L? A. 20 degrees, B. 30 degrees, C 150 degrees, and D 160 degrees. Excellent! The correct answer is C. Congratulations, Matherific learners! If you get a score of 5, you are excellent. If your score is 4, you are amazing. If your score is 3, you did a good job. You may also try solving similar problems to master the skill. And if your score is 2 or below, you can rewatch this video and try answering similar problems.
Again, congratulations, my dear math-terrific learners! Before we end this episode, I want you to look back and reflect on the things that you have learned today. Just visit this link or scan this QR code and share your thoughts through the Padlet. Once again, I am your math terrific teacher, Ma'am Aiko. Just remember, I for math, I for you, and I got you. Because in Animath, fun and learning are always brand new. Remember to keep a healthy body, a sound mind, and a happy life.
Animath.